urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, northern Portage County in northeastern Ohio, southern Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, east central Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Solon, or 14 miles northwest of Ravenna, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Warren, Solon, Niles, Twinsburg, Streetsboro, Macedonia, Cortland, Newton Falls, South Russell, Lordstown, Garrettsville, Manaway, West Farmington, Bristolville, Leavittsburg, Aurora, Parkman, Chagrin Falls, Reminderville, and Moreland Hills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Geauga, Portage, Summit, and Trumbull.